Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. Since we are in February and it is Heart Health Month, we are going to be making a hearty beans and greens soup. Come join me. The ingredients are 2 cups kale, 1 can beans of your choosing, 2 cups spinach, 1 cup diced carrots, 1 small diced onion, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 diced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 cups chicken broth. Okay, so this is a very savory and comforting soup to make during our cold winter months. Super simple and easy to make, full of colors, so full of antioxidants, vitamins, and mineral richness from all of the ingredients, and super simple to make. So we will start by adding our olive oil to our pan, our pot, and then we're going to add our onions and carrots to cook them down for about 5 to 7 minutes. So after we have sauteed our carrots and our onions for about 5 to 7 minutes, we're going to add in our garlic cloves, and then we're going to add in our kale or whatever that green, collard greens, whatever it is you choose to add to your soup, so that can start to wilt down and cook. Okay, so once your kale has wilted, it's cooked, it's wilted down, it's decreased in volume, we will add our broth. So after we add our broth, we'll add our soy sauce and our apple cider vinegar. Okay, then we'll add our beans. We're gonna let this come to a boil and then simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we'll add our spinach as topping when we're ready to serve. So once we reached a full boil and we allowed it to simmer for a couple of minutes, we will add some of the spinach. Okay, so after you added all of your spinach and it cooked down to where it's softened, it's ready to dish out and enjoy. Okay, and here you have it, our Heart Health Month soup. It's our hearty beans and greens, super delicious. Now if you wanted to add some protein to this, you surely could add some ground chicken or some ground turkey to up your protein content, but this is a really antioxidant, heart healthy, rich soup. Thanks for joining. Join us next month for our next episode of Cooking with Celebrate.